Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So as you could tell from the title, we are doing an unboxing today. I purchased this bag to go with a specific jacket that I have, and now I can't find the jacket. It was after I purchased the bag and I went looking to match it to the jacket. I remember I lent the jacket to somebody, or I left it somewhere and I don't have it, but I'm gonna have to buy another one. So we're still gonna do the unboxing, and then later on when I get the new jacket, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and then you will see me how I pair it with the jacket. So here we go, we're doing an unboxing. Oh, and it's from Zara. It's from Zara, the bag that I'm about to get or open. And I'm pretty excited that I have this bag. I ordered the bag, I believe it was Thursday night, and by the following Monday I had it. So they ship really pretty quickly. And if you guys don't know about Zara, I don't know who don't know about Zara, but they usually have really cute trending things. And I order a lot of stuff from Zara. I just don't do unboxing with them, but this one I figure I would share with you because it's kind of an unusual bag. It's not something that you would see every day, and to me it's nice. I don't know what you're gonna think when I show it to you. Leave the comments below, let me know if you think the bag is nice or whatever, but it's a keeper. I'm gonna keep it, and like I said, I am going to pair it with the coat when it does come. Oh, I didn't even mention behind me, this is Lily. Lily is hanging out. Lily is a cat that I promised to cat sit for 2 weeks back in October. It's now February and Lily is still here. She's not giving any problems or anything, so that's why she's still here. If she was bad, she would be gone, but they asked me to hold her a little bit longer, so therefore that's why Lily is still here. All right, so this is the bag, and like I said, it's from Zara. Let me see, does it have a name? I'm gonna show it to you in a second. I just want to make sure. I don't know the name of the bag, but this is the bag. This is the bag, and yes, now you can imagine the coat that I wanted to wear it with. So I have a teddy coat this color, and I thought this would be perfect for the winter time. You know, it comes with a long strap, so it's a cross-body bag. It's not leather. It is synthetic material, but the style is still really nice. So you have the teddy coat, or fur trim as you will call it. We have it here on the handle, we have it down and around, and when we turn it to the back, we also have a little bit on the back. So either way you wear it, you could wear crossbody and show this side to show a little bit more of the fur, or you have it this side where you have the quilted part of the bag. So let's open it and see, you know, the way it does open and what's inside of it. So it pops open just like this, just pop up. And I haven't used it as you see because it still have the tissue paper, and it have the two little magnetic tabs here. So one here, and then you close it down, it snaps right in. And let me just take this paper out. Then we have some inside pocket. Ooh, let me fix it. So we have some inside, because we have 3 inside pockets, and then one of them zips open. Let me zip it. Well, this is not easy to do on camera. So you zip it open, and this is what, I don't know why I'm killing myself to look inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. Let's take out the paper that's in there. So it's pretty roomy. Now, of course, when you take out the paper, it got all flat, but it's pretty roomy. You could hold your cell phone, your cosmetics, your whatever you could pile in here. You know, we carry a lot of things. So like I said, we have 3 compartments. We have this one right here. We have one that zips closed, so you know, even more secure. And then we have a third one right here. Let me see if there's a smaller change pocket. No, that's about it. And usually all these bags usually have names. Let me see if there's a tag on the inside has a name. We know it's from Zara because it's branded on the inside as Zara. And nope, there's no name on the inside. Now let's see if the outer pocket, if there is one. Nope, this is just for style. You can't go in and put anything on the outside. So everything having to do with this bag is on the inside. The outside is just for looks. So you could wear either by holding this top handle, or you could do a crossbody. I'm pretty tall. I'm 5'8". So I'm pretty tall. When I try to do a crossbody, it really didn't work for me. So if you are a little more on the shorter side, it might work for you. Also, the straps, they do come off. Like down here, you could unbuckle this and take the strap off if you want, if you don't want to wear it long strap. And then also we have adjustables right here. And like I said, this is not a leather bag. It's synthetic or man-made material. And as they would say, it's vegan friendly. And also, if you want to expand the bag a little more, let me see. This should be able, yeah, this snaps open. So if you have more things to put in and want to expand it a little wider, then you can. But that would take away from the look, from the design of the bag. But it's just to show you the bag is functionable. So this bag is from Zara. Even though the price tag says $59.50, I paid $29.99 for this bag. I don't know if they have any more left. I will leave the link for you below. But this is my new bag to my collection. I hope you like it. Like I said, I will leave the link for you below. And I'm going to insert a picture of the coat that I am going to wear it with. I won't be wearing it right now, but I'm just going to insert a picture of the coat that I plan to wear it with. And then I said, like, later on, make sure you check my Instagram to see how I style this bag. So I just wanted to show you, give you an unboxing of the bag, and there you have it. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you wish. Let me know if you like the bag, if you have it, how do you like it so far. And remember, subscribe to the channel because I do a lot of unboxing, and you know, you don't want to miss anything. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Again, I thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Until next time, take care of yourselves and your family. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.